It's time to pack our bags and hit the road for an extraordinary cross-country tour of the United States. Blast Off Discovery's newest series, State Profiles, features all 50 states as well as Washington, D.C. and Puerto Rico. 2020 census data ensures accurate information for up-to-date learning. Featuring high-interest subject matter and engaging text, State Profiles is recommended for students in grades 3 through 8. A stunning showcase of detailed maps, colorful photos, historical timelines, and bonus facts provide comprehensive learning opportunities for young researchers. Up-close looks at wildlife and climate, favorite sports and activities, and local recipes highlight the unique characteristics of each state. Each title provides historical information on native peoples, highlights a famous face, and introduces popular festivals and traditions. Captivate curious readers with a nationwide journey in State Profiles, a series inspired by learning, travel, and the American spirit.